Okay, so here is another little thing where we're going to add a we're going to we are going to replace this button with an image. So I'm going to do image source equals, and in our case it is going to be, we'll use this one that makes it look like a, does that let me just drag that in there? It did not, so let's go back. We're going to put this in here. It is img slash freeform.png. And of course we need to make sure that we're using it correctly, so we're going to give it a name. In this case, id equals clickable image. We can call it that. And then because it's an image, we should have an alt, and that equals, oops, in the quotes, so that means people know that they can click on an image. If I save it and I test this, there's our code. Now, of course, there's things working because add button was not found. So let's go ahead and change our code around. So instead of going from, what was that, add button, we copy and we go to our script, get element ID v clickable dot image equals add event listener click create button. Now this should work. I should be able to go in here, should be able to go to this code. If you noticed, I didn't get an error this time. If I click on the image now, I've actually created a button. So I can now create my own sort of graphical buttons. There's some dangers to this, of course, that are what they are. For example, if you were to use the button, like when I roll over, there's no indicator that I am over something or that it's hot. So you would probably have to change the icon, which you can do all through JavaScript. But it is really fun that you can make these buttons now. The other thing I'm going to do is let's take a look at how we can create an image as a button dynamically.